Mrs. Professor Alfonsa, Mrs. Roger Lakshmanan, ஹலோ ஜெயந்தி, அரட்டை எல்லாம் அப்புறம் அடிப்பீங்க வாங்க. சும்மா காலமெல்லாம் அரட்டை அடிக்கிறதே தொழிலாக போச்சு. வந்து ஸ்டேஜில் உட்காருங்க.
I endorse the view of
மேலெல்லாம் இப்போ போகிற வயசு இல்லைங்க, இன்னும் 20-30 வருஷம் இருக்கு. உட்காருங்க, அந்த பக்கம் உட்காருங்க. மத்தியில் சீட்டை விட்டுட்டு மீதி எல்லாரும் உட்காருங்க. நான் உட்காருறேன், அந்த பக்கம் போயிடுங்க, உட்காருங்க. Go and sit next after that seat. Good afternoon, everyone. This is, please occupy your seats, please. Take some seats. In our life, in our activities, in our job, in our day-to-day life, everything, the women is a part of our activities. Without women, we cannot move. The men or a women always go together for any developmental activities. Especially Tamil women or Indian women always will get more priority than other international women. The Tamils always giving a top priority for women folk. Even if it is in a house, they want to celebrate a marriage for the children without asking wife permission, even unable to take any decision. That is the way in which they are giving a top priority for women folk. Even in buying a house, or sending for higher education, or to go to foreign country, or to purchase any property, always the men will ask for women. That is the way in which our Indian lifestyle, especially Tamil's lifestyle. People think the women always neglected, women nobody's care, women is always like a slave. Nothing. The men always slave. That is the way in which life is going on. Because that is why you see, if you see Jayanti, automatically we know all men are slave. Because she is such a way dominating in Dubai. Okay?
Feeling honored.
Yes. That is the way in which the activity is going on. Why I am talking something, at least to get some more crowd, then I will ask them to talk. Yes. Actually, in India, women getting a lot of importance, especially in Tamil Nadu, we given for equal rights for the property right. The father owns the property, his property will go to son and daughter equally. Before 2006 or something, no such a law. After that, Tamil Nadu brought a separate act to give equal rights for the son and daughter in Tamil Nadu. Our Hindu Succession Act says always the father properties, the grandfather property will go to us only for sons, not for the daughters. But the act says now that slowly the India, after the independence, lot of Hindu act. Hindu act means that the customary act. There is no Hindu act, customary act. Customary act, the Hindu man can marry any number of wives. The Muslim only 4. For Hindu man can marry any number, no restriction. But
true?
1956.
Is it true? Is it true?
That is true. In 1956, the brought act by the Jawaharlal Nehru and all over India, they converted the one man having one wife by the Hindu Marriage Act says. Before that, no, that such act. Because everybody having a 2 or 3 like that in Asian society like that. All over Asian countries, not only in India, or in Malaysia, or in Singapore, or in Hong Kong, or in Thailand, or in China, entire Asian community says, Jamindari system of lifestyle. Jamindari system of life, they can keep any number of wives. If you see our Ramayana, Mahabharata, or even in our God, Muruga, everyone have not in a one wife. 2 wife or 3 wife. But our Indian Act, our Indian democratic leaders changed the system of the customary lifestyle. The one man having one wife. That is the plus point of our thought for giving priority to that. Another important development in India, Indian states, all states given a priority for all local body elections. The women can participate, contest in the election. 50% of the seats allocated for the women, and they can contest in the elections in all the local bodies. Now that all political parties, especially the Congress party, playing a very major role in Delhi to bring 1/3 of the seats for women for parliament seats. That is, they are tried in almost 10 years their rule, unable to bring, still they are giving a voice for that. There is similarly other political parties in all over India giving the similar voice, even though that is not taken an initiative to pass an act. Because they are telling, why you want to give a priority for women? Women and men, as you are telling equal, they can contest and come. We selected Indira Gandhi as a Prime Minister, then Jayalalitha as a Chief Minister, then Mamata Banerjee as a Chief Minister. Here in Sri Lanka, the women Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President. In Pakistan, it's like that. The Indian subcontinent, women automatically getting a Prime Minister and many other positions. Why you want to give a reservation? That is going on other side. But not degrading the women. The Indian Parliament, almost 10 to 15% of the Parliament members are the women. Even state assemblies also, every assembly, one women minister minimum there. Even, similarly in Delhi also. The present defense minister from the Indian cabinet is a Tamil lady sitting in Delhi as a women defense minister. This is a great honor for women folk. But similarly, the women interested to take all the places for the equally to compete with the men for all the jobs. Some of the jobs, even though they are not fit, even though they are willing to compete for all the jobs, the man is ready to give even any extent. Even the pilot, most of the airlines pilot, at least 1 or 2 women now is a pilot sitting in the co-pilot in the aircraft and doing for the commercial pilot to taking the flight. Like that, the women always giving an importance in all ways of life. In rural women, especially in the field of agriculture, facing a lot of women, a lot of issues. And they are working whole day from 9 to 6 and making money to 200, 300 rupees and helping the family to support the family. And especially North district, every house, rural house, don't have a land. They used in the BD manufacturing activities and sitting the woman in the BD industries and helping them for the family to support the family. Nowadays, the lot of self-financing institutions in Tamil Nadu, engineering college, arts and science college, nursing college. Now even poor family also, they are sending their children for higher education and college education and professional education. Tamil Nadu is giving a lot of support to women folk and got a lot of jobs and professional admissions in different colleges. So that we want to know the international picture. International picture, many countries don't have even voting rights for women. Even America, only 50 years back only they given for voting rights for women. Even in Switzerland, no voting right for the women. Like that, many other countries don't have an opportunity to even vote for elections. In America, recently, you see Trump and Hillary Clinton each competed the president election. Even though Hillary Clinton is very popular internationally, she was a state foreign minister for a long time. But even though unable to win the election, because American society always in favor of men folk, that is one of the reasons still America don't have a women president still. But we are all more advanced culture-wise, historical-wise, in every way. we given an opportunity for women to rule us. But in America, even though very advanced country, they didn't give an opportunity for women to rule their country. Like that, lot of issues are there. We have expert speakers with us. First, I will call the great networking specialist of business leader of Dubai, Ms. Jayanti Mala Suresh, to talk about women's development. Time limit is 10.